Hey up Keith, we're back in the booth.
Back in the lab.
What we wiping down here, man?
My rocket.
Yeah, wipe your rocket down.
We started a video on this, didn't we, yesterday?
Yeah.
We primed the arches.
I see.
We've seen that, didn't we? We primed
Yeah.
the arches. We've rubbed the arches down, and now we're gonna paint the corners.
Okay.
Obviously, we're gonna put a bit of colour just over that area, keep it away from all the edges, and then lacquer it out.
Fantastic.
Same the other side. Different to look at that side, but
Oh look, it's the same.
same. Put some paint over the primer, and then lacquer it out.
Fantastic.
And that's another step done. And then we can move on to the bumpers and trims and bits.
Bumpers and trims and bits. Beautiful. Okay, brother. I'll be back in a bit. Hey, mate. Well, there's many panels in here. And there's an Uncle Keith.
Hello.
What colour is this? Don't say black.
Nighthawk black.
Nighthawk black. It's looking lush, mate.
Yeah, obviously we've got front bumper, a different splitter, rear bumper, like a Mugen style spoiler.
Fugan.
Yeah, and the blade.
It's looking very shiny, buddy.
That's what needed doing.
Yeah, so it's almost time to reassemble then.
Yeah, we're going to get it all back together and see what it looks like.
Just in time for the Honda meet. Which is...
Nice little bit, that front dip and the Mugen.
Yeah, I think you're right.
A nice little sort of bit of an aggressive look, won't it?
Yeah, it'd be nice to hand it back at the Honda meet, I think, because people will see it. It'd be lovely. For those of you watching the video, Dynodaze, Uncle Keith's paint shop, we have a Honda meet every last Saturday of the month from 9 AM. So if you're ever keen on seeing a bit or coming and hanging out, please come and do that. But, right, okay, Keith, well, hopefully I'll see this again when it's reassembled.
We'll get fitted up and we'll do it.
Yeah, excellent. All right, mate. Well, there's another one in the bag. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful EP3. Now, we've painted, as you know, front bumper, front splitter, rear quarters. Here's our Keith. Hey up, mate. And then we've also done spoiler, rear bumper, we've done rear quarters. So, but it looks absolutely lovely. If you've got an EP3, you want a bit of a spruce up or a bit of paint, Keith is the man to touch it up. Aren't you, Keith? If you want to touch it up, come to Uncle Keith's paint shop.
I'll touch you up.
And he'll touch you up. I will see you on the next one, won't we, mate?
We will indeed.
We will indeed. Look at that, gleaming, ready for Jap show.